My name's Tim Lowe and I'm a third year business economics student down at the business school. I've been engaged with students as Agents for Change since my first year and in my second year, and now I'm hoping to get involved again in my third year. The sort of projects that I've been involved with tended from helping out with employability and recording of employability events so that students can then access these at a later date to gain the sort of information that they have missed out on without going to the event. Other projects have been involvement with things like recording of lectures and using other technologies, turning point technologies in lectures, and again just collating student opinion of how this actually helps the students. And the best thing about being involved in the project is actually the fact that student opinions can then be voiced, and we can take these to staff and show them that actually students do favour certain technologies, they do help with their learning. And by rolling this out across the university and hopefully across different departments and maybe different universities, students really can have their education tailored to actually what suits them. And really make sure that everything that's delivered meets their needs, so that really their experience at university and the way that they learn can really be enhanced. So yeah, I'd say it's a great project. Hopefully more people can get involved and it can be rolled out on a larger scale in the future.
Fantastic. And is there any particular technologies you've used that you feel have been really helpful as part of your studies?
I think Echo 360 for me is a fantastic technology whereby lectures are recorded and you can watch them back as a student with some of the slides in some cases after the lectures. And really it doesn't I think put me off going to the lecture, but more if I don't quite catch a concept in a lecture, I can actually go back and revisit it without having to go and see the lecturer. Or without having to look over notes which may not actually clarify my situation. I also think some of the technologies that are used in the lectures to allow students to interact, answer questions in lectures, again helps with the engagement, helping you get involved, understanding things. So yeah.
And how does that work in particular?
Basically the clickers. So it's more like your millionaire style clickers. The lecturer can put up a question. And as a student you're asked to choose an answer from A, B, C, D, and you can just push on your clicker the answer that you think is the correct one, and then the lecturer can display the results and obviously tell whether the class has understood the concept or whether it needs explaining again. So yeah, definitely key to making the lectures interesting, keeping you engaged as a student for the whole hour or 2 hours.